Hi friends, my name is Patricia and in today's video I am sharing some highlights from my honeymoon to Japan. As you can see, we got a free upgrade to Business First on United, hence our excitement. This is our view from our Cerulean Tower Tokyo Hotel, and you can see Tokyo Tower and a good chunk of Tokyo from this point of view. It's very convenient because it's maybe less than a 5-minute walk to the Shibuya crossing station, so very convenient for going to the subway station. What do you call it? Monterey? No, We're doing it! We're walking through the scramble! So of course, our first stop for dinner was to go to Ichiran Shibuya. They have these little plaques where you can communicate with the waiters of what you want, which makes this a little different from your regular dining experience.
Oh wait, I'm in it. I'm like, why are you playing?
Yes, you're in it.
It's egg and cheese toast. Egg and cheese toast.
Very different. It was really good. I think it was worth the wait. I think we came at the right time to wait. We just were at the right cutoff and it was really unexpected. They didn't use the regular, actually I don't know what sauce, it was sweeter.
It was so good. The egg was so runny and everything.
We heard the crunch and they used really, I mean Japan also had really nice eggs too, so.
Yeah. From one Katsu master to another, I bow down. He is a true Katsu master.
Maybe you can...
I'm aspiring, but now I've seen the real one, it will inspire me to try to get better every single time. What you have there?
Oh, you want to try some?
Try it, yeah. Micro pigs. You can see the game.
I haven't been to Harajuku in a while, so I didn't know they opened all these animal cafes. Of course, I caved and went to the cat cafe. Keep in mind when visiting these cafes, there is an entry fee and a mandatory purchase of 1 drink.
The kitties are waiting.
So, when do you want to see?
You are given a timestamp of when you need to check out, or else there will be additional charge.
Good kitty. It's really good, actually.
Here's your first. No, you don't. This is my first time trying out conveyor belt sushi in Japan. The way it works is you grab a plate and each plate has a different cost to it. It was a pretty fun experience, but the total amount can add up pretty quick around here. We wrapped up dinner with trying out ramen with fish broth.
Is it crunchy? It's crunchy. Okay. It's such an interesting texture.
I taste the sweet potato. Look at that. This is sweet potato, this is the ice cream, and there's some whipped cream inside. Not bad. So since we had to eat near the Uniqlo, might as well just go in and do a little shopping around Uniqlo, right? It was also a nice break from the heat in Asakusa, so I also wanted to look for some really simple t-shirts or skirts for everyday wear. I saw that Uniqlo was doing a collaboration with Marimekko, so I was really excited to see the prints and had to snap a couple of skirts myself.
Because that's the whole thing about Buddhism.
We finally reached the Karinariman gate, which is the famous gate before you enter the temple, so we went a little backwards. Next we headed to Skytree, and one of the first things that we did was going to a purikura machine, and I am out of practice when it comes to these machines, so we got a little bit confused on the order of things, and it took us a while to just know when to take the pictures and then when to decorate the pictures. So we absolutely have no idea what we're doing. We didn't even know that our faces were going to be so face warped like this. So
and I think it went horribly wrong.
Play in the booth as others are playing the game. Left.
It's gonna fall right here.
and push it. So while passing some time to wait until it was our time to line up to go see the Skytree view, we decided to visit the Studio Ghibli merchandise store. It's right next to the Skytree, and it was so cute, and I felt like I was living through nostalgia again. Actually, my favorite movie from the Ghibli franchise is Princess Mononoke. But unfortunately, I don't feel like I saw too many Princess Mononoke merch, so I just settled for an enamel pin of the cat from Kiki's Delivery Service. This is the most beautiful shredded cabbage I've ever seen. Naturally, after spending a whole day at Skytree, we decided to just grab dinner around here and settled on getting katsu, and this was a freaking good katsu. I never had an experience where I had to grind sesame seed first before pouring the katsu sauce, but this was freaking delicious, so I highly recommend. Go try it out. This katsu was so crunchy, so yeah, 10 out of 10 would recommend.
It's like cheap and sweet at the same time.
So next day we decided to visit Tokyo Station, and this restaurant was in the Daimaru right next to the station, and I don't know the name of it, but they served chirashi bowls and this was really good. This is the front of the Marunouchi red brick building. This is behind the modern Tokyo JR station. We're actually on our way to go to the Tokyo Station Hotel. In the lobby there's a nice afternoon tea place where you can get cake sets or parfaits, and it's a really nice vibe. I would say go try it once and see if you like it or not, but it's pretty swanky and I really enjoyed the atmosphere there. We are going to Supa Potato. This is where we came from. It looks super sketch. Supa Potato. And I think the logo looks like this.
You see this guy's face?
Oh yeah, there he is. Super small elevator to go to this game store called Super Potato.
Oh my god. It's so retro. That's a Wii, yeah. In the OG days, got Wii controllers, got Wii.
Oh look, Super Mario Land.
Design works. I think we have the Dark Souls 1 design works actually.
Roy Mustang! It's a good series, guys. It's really good. And Scar. And then the homunculus. And then there's me. And your dad. One of my favorite games. This is a really good co-op game.
Special, very fat, medium, and this one's very fat, medium, and lean. Oh yeah, this is number one.
We tried this other place in Tsukiji Market that's known for their uni bowl based on recommendations. You can sit upstairs for an additional fee if you don't want to wait. However, the presentation of this was beautiful. The uni tasted not too bad, but it did feel a little bit of a tourist trap, so if you haven't been here, you should try it if you choose to do so. So just take my opinion with a grain of salt.
They're selling wasabi peas.
Should we get two? It's a strawberry daifuku mochi.
These are all different types of matchas. Oh, it's kind of hard.
It's like a hard cream.
It's like a, oh, it's like cake, like sponge. Feels like, I think there's some music in here. I was pretty excited to explore Itoya, one of the largest stationery stores ever, because I keep seeing it on Instagram and also like YouTubers I follow. So it was great to explore it. It was 8 levels of art, goods, and stationery goodness. For dinner, we went to Sushi Tokyo 10, which is an omakase franchise, and I think it averaged around $50 to $60 USD per person. So it's worth checking out if you like omakase, like sashimi and nigiri. It's about a 20-course meal. You get a variety of fishes to try, as well as nigiri, miso soup with clams. One of my favorites from this meal was the black miso cod, as well as the uni hand roll.
This is Patricia's favorite black cod.
Really good.
Yeah, you like it?
I love it. Very good. It's like butter in my mouth. It's so good.
Yeah. Turn with me.
This is kind of like our everyday walk to the station. As you can see, it's really close to Shibuya Sky, and it's a really brisk walk. It only takes about like maybe less than 5 minutes to go to the main station.
That's what I need when I make cabbage. I need the sesame.
I've never had chicken katsu before, so this was my first time trying it out, and I thought it was pretty good. The meat was super tender, and there wasn't heavy breading around the chicken, so it had like the perfect balance of eating the meat and also having some crunchy texture. Super tender, super crunchy.
Whatever, we'll explore.
We're at Roppongi Hills right now.
This is my 5th parfait in like 7 days.
Is it
13
really?
days. Yeah. 5th parfait. Appreciation for parfaits.
This is all of the
Yakitori, and this is a thigh.
shiitake mushroom with salt, and then this is meatloaf.
Something like that.
Out of all the yakitori places we tried, I highly recommend trying this one in Ginza. Can't complain. Everything was really good. As always, thank you for watching my videos, and I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please feel free to subscribe, share, and like, and I'll see you guys next time.